Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Asida, a South Sudanese staple that accompanies several Sudanese stews. If you'd like to learn the simplest way to cook lump-free Asida, watch these simple steps to the end. All I need for this recipe is water and maize flour. However, some people prefer to add salt and oil. I add 6 cups of cold water to a pot, then add a cup of maize flour and stir this continuously until it starts boiling. However, this is not how I was taught to cook Asida. The water is usually boiled before adding the flour. This method may seem slow, but trust the process and you will love the results at the end. I also use this method to cook porridge, and I get lump-free porridge every time. Once it boils, the flour thickens to a porridge-like consistency. At this point, I cover the pot and allow this to cook undisturbed for a minute or two. This will get rid of any raw flour taste. I now start adding flour in little increments while stirring and mashing through the lumps. I do this by pressing the Asida between the cooking stick and the side of the pot. I was previously asked a question on water to flour ratios. This is hard to estimate because the amount of flour you use is dependent on the type and texture of the flour. It also depends on whether you like your Asida soft or hard. You keep adding the flour until you reach your preferred consistency. Keep turning, flipping and pounding as I am doing here. Repeat this process every time you add flour to ensure that it is fully incorporated before adding more. As it starts thickening, it becomes harder to turn and mash. Depending on the size of the Asida you're cooking, this quickly turns into a serious arm workout. Hang in there because it is almost done. Once happy with its consistency, mold the top as I am doing here. Then, carefully flip the pot onto a plate and smooth the sides of the Asida with your cooking stick. Try using this method and give us your feedback in the comments section. Please give this video a like, comment, share and hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.